Health check. What is health check? Health check means making sure that something which we are trying to request, or making sure that the resources which we provision, whether it is hardware or software resources, they are intact, they are currently responding for our request, right? That is in nutshell. So if you look at say as an example, our load balancer, we are going to even see the demo of load balancer. But the load balancer take a request from multiple users from multiple geographic locations, and it sends the request to the backend, which is near to the location, near to the user, right? But how it will make sure that the backend instances to which it is sending the request is healthy and it is responding to the query, and that's where the concept of health check came in. And you can configure health check parameters as an example here. So you are checking backend VM instances for port number 80 HTTP protocol. Every 30 seconds you are going to do a ping test, and if the health is in good condition, then you are sending so the load balancer will send the request to them. If it is not healthy, and you can define what is that not healthy means, like unhealthy threshold, which is like 5. If in a row 5 requests sent, it did not receive the health check response back or heartbeat back, then definitely it will consider that particular instance is unhealthy instance, and it will not send the request to those unhealthy instances. And that is a health check. You can configure that in multiple levels, and we are going to see that where are those. But you can configure that in load balancer level, you can configure that in the segments or the templates, but we are going to see that in detail. But in nutshell, health check understand whether the backend instances are good in condition to serve the request or not.